What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and today I got amazing huge news here for the Webull app. If you guys don't know Webull, it's an investing app where you can buy stocks and crypto, and this is amazing because they have a new promotion code that ends in 1 month on November 30th, where they're basically giving you guys a free stock of Apple. Like, this is guaranteed. This is not like you'll be entering a giveaway for an Apple stock. They're gonna give you it for free. I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do for this promotion, and you literally have a month from now. I think today is November 5th, and it ends on November 30th. So let me show you guys here. If you don't have Webull yet, you can use my referral code. So let me show you guys here how to do it. So again, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. If you guys want to make a Webull account, it'll be in the pinned comment in the description. So right here, after you make your Webull account, this is all you have to do to get literally a free stock of Apple, which at the moment is like 150. Right here, after you make an account, click right here at the top right on your profile, and then this is the promotion center. As you guys can see, it's the first one. It says get a share of AAPL Apple. Okay, let's click on it right here. Let's see what you need to do. And honestly, this is very simple. So right here, November 1st till November 30th, all you have to do, guys, is get 3 referrals. Okay, so this could be a family member, it could be a friend. Okay, all you got to do is refer 3 people to open a Webull account. They don't even have to put money in. Okay, they just got to open an account. That's it. After you get 3, you're going to get a free Apple stock, guaranteed. Plus, on top of that, for each referral that you get, it says right here, every successful referral will grant you 1 free stock that is worth around $300 to $300. So that right there is free money on top of that. And after you get 3 referrals to join Webull, you'll get a share of Apple, which at the moment is 151. So in my opinion, this is a huge promotion, one of the best promotions out there. Next to Celsius, Webull is really going to the limits here with this, which I think is amazing because it's going to get more people to come into the app. And it says right here, a successful referral for this promotion is a new user opens an account with Webull via an existing referral's unique referral link between the state. So it doesn't even say the person needs to put $100 or money in. They just got to open an account. Okay, that's all they have to do. And to get the link, it says right here, copy your referral link. You just click on that. Make sure they make an account using your link. Okay, like I said, if you guys want to join, use my referral code, my link in the description below. And then they just literally make an account, and all you need to make an account is very simple steps. This, in my opinion, is the biggest one that Webull has ever had because you're guaranteed a free Apple stock, which is $151, right? I mean, you compare this to Robinhood, for example. Robinhood just gives you a free stock, which is still very good. But Robinhood is not doing these crazy promotions like Webull does. And another cool thing too, guys, here, if you go right here in the promotion center, if you scroll all the way to the right, for new users, if they're serious about this, you can also tell them about this, the deposit bonus. So right here, after they make their account, if they deposit in between $8 or more, it says right here, where is it, $8 or more, between $8 and $2,000, they're gonna get a deposit bonus. Now I think the more the better, the more you'll get, the better. But basically, if you deposit money, you're gonna get another free stock. Basically, they have another brokerage that they want to transfer to. They're gonna reimburse you your transfer fees, $75. So this is just really cool that Webull does all this. It just shows that they really want to get more people on their app, which I think is a great app, by the way, both for stocks and crypto. So that's it, guys. That's how you guys do it. You guys can literally get a free stock of Apple, and even if you guys just like crypto, you guys can literally sell it and then buy crypto, right? So it doesn't have to just be, you don't have to hold it if you don't want to. So this is just basically free money that Webull is giving out here. So definitely use my referral code in the description below and the pinned comment. Find family, friends, make sure they make an account, and then you'll get a guaranteed free Apple stock. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow my free Facebook crypto group, Reddit, and check out my Patreon as well. And thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.